One of the most common posture faults we see is called the S posture, and that's where your butt gets too far out and it creates an arch in your back. And this limits your lower body stability and also can limit your shoulder turn. So this is usually or normally caused by too much tightness in the front of the legs. It's a big group of muscles called the hip flexors that actually pull the pelvis forward. So to stretch those out, one simple stretch is you just get into a long lunge position, try and squeeze the butt cheek of the foot that's in the back, and you see the pelvis comes up and the belt buckle goes up, and you just want to push forward. You feel a big stretch in the front here. And that's something you can do right on the course of the range. And if you need a little bit bigger stretch, you can turn your hips into the front leg and then also raise your arm over the top. And that'll give you a big stretch. That'll help with any tightness you have here or any tilted pelvis that you might see in your own golf swing.